In this video, we're going to show you how to install a NetBeez Docker agent with the only prerequisite being that you need to have console access or the ability to SSH to the host. The first thing we need to do is go to your dashboard and go to the top right-hand corner where the little question mark is for NetBeez support and go to online documentation. Go to the start article called Install NetBeez Agents, and then what you're going to want to do is click on option 3 for the Docker container. There are 2 lines of code here you're going to need to copy, so highlight both of them and make sure you just get the line of code. Right click and go to copy, and then open up Notepad, and we're going to want to paste it here because this will work as plain text. And then next, we're going to want to jump back into the dashboard in order to get your secret key for the next step. Now what you want to do is go to the top right hand corner and click on the little cog. You'll want to copy and paste your secret key as seen here. And then you'll want to paste it where the 3 X's are right here. So just highlight, paste, and then we're going to take this entire string and copy it, and then open PuTTY, which is currently SSH to the host, and do a very simple right click and enter, and then it will automatically do the installation for you. It'll take probably somewhere in the ballpark of 10 to 30 seconds, depending on the resources allocated. But once that is done, you'll just want to pop back in the dashboard and make sure that it populates. Now that we're back in the dashboard, we're going to go to the agent view, and we're going to give it a couple seconds, and we want to see if the agent populates. There it is. And we're going to click on it, and right now, before you forget, let's go ahead and rename it. That way, when we come back to it, we'll know what agent this is. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at success@netbeez.net.